Hi, welcome to Simple Logistics channel. Today we are going to discuss about less than truckload and less than container load, and when we should choose that transportation mode. So, as with most things, transport, the more you buy it, the bigger the quantity that you buy, the lesser is the price per unit in transport, usually kilograms that you have to transport. When you are buying a raw material or a component for your company, if you make a big purchase, if you purchase a really big lot of products, you're going to receive a better price, maybe a discount. So you you end up using more financial resources upfront, but to get a better price or a better rate, then you have to store those products. With transport, with the freight, something similar happens. When you buy a full truckload, for example, your price per kilogram of transport should be much lower than the price you're going to pay for a less than truckload service. And why is that? That is because the transportation company is going to have more work to make full truckloads for transferring material from one city to the other, from one province, state to the other. So usually the less than truckload does require more work from the transportation company. And due to the contractual lead times, there is also a risk for the transportation company that it will not have enough cargo to start the travel at the required time. So they will have to start transport with a truck or trailer that will be less than optimum in terms of capacity usage. And for container loads, the same thing applies. So the transportation company has more work to consolidate less than container loads into a single container. So it will charge more. Also, there is some small incremental risk when doing that. So the carrier company in general will charge more for less than container loads, less than truck loads, and even it may have a price table with different rates for different quantities, because it's one thing to deliver one small package. There is some time loss to stop at a destination, make the delivery. So you have to charge for all that. If the carrier company has three or four or one pallet of goods for a single destination, even though it's still less than truckload or less than container load, it will require one stop to deliver tens or hundreds of boxes. The price of these service per kilogram should be lower for these higher volumes, higher quantities, or higher weights. And if there is a full truckload or full container load, the rates should be even lower. So if you have to transport only small quantities of goods, or if with one given provider or one given customer, you have a small amount of trade, so you have to transport only small quantities, less than would say 20 tons, less than 30 tons of goods, then it's, less expensive to use the less than truckload or less than container load transportation mode and payment arrangement. But if you are transporting higher quantities, like 24, 25 tons for the road transportation, 30 tons for container loads, then it's, of course, it's a no-brainer. It's less expensive to purchase the freight or to contract the freight with full trailer loads or full container loads rates. So you are going to pay less for this transport. Make sure that when you invoice material, when you dispatch material, that you're using the right rate for that given quantity, that you are using the right transportation mode with your preferred carrier, and that he's going to charge the correct charges for that transportation mode. So by doing that, you're going to save some money on transportation. Correct selection between less than container load and full container load, less than truckload and full truckload. Okay, this was my tip for today. I hope this helps you in your day-to-day activities. If it does, please leave a comment, a feedback here. If you think that this is a good subject for further conversation here on our channel, also please leave a comment, give us your feedback, hit like, subscribe our channel, and always keep coming back for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye.